Did you know some students manage to rake in $10,000 a month while juggling their studies? They do exist, and you're about to discover 15 innovative ways to achieve this seemingly impossible feat. If you don't watch this video, you might miss out on the surprising strategy that's helping students build six-figure businesses from their dorm rooms. Stay tuned to learn how one student turned a random hobby into a $20,000 monthly income stream. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing financial insights. 1. Freelancing Frenzy. Unlock your digital skills. Freelancing in high-demand fields like software development, UX design, and project management can earn you $50 $150 per hour. Build your portfolio on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, but don't neglect your own website and social media presence. For example, Ashley Fawkes started freelancing as a web designer during college and now runs a successful agency, The Tool Merchant. 2. Tutoring transformation beyond basic lessons. Elevate tutoring from a side gig to a lucrative business by focusing on high-demand subjects and exam prep. Offer personalized learning plans, progress tracking, and group sessions to maximize your earning potential. Consider the success of Jeremiah Lacombe, who built a six-figure tutoring business while in college by specializing in SAT prep and marketing his services as premium educational experiences. 3. Dropshipping domination. Master the art of online retail. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory, focusing on marketing and customer service. With dedication and the right product, you can reach $10,000 monthly in 8 months. Take inspiration from Erwin Dominguez, who generated $1 million in sales within 8 months of starting his dropshipping business while studying. 4. Digital Product Gold Rush. Create once, sell infinitely. Develop and sell digital products like templates, ebooks, and online courses. Start with simple items like planners or worksheets and scale up to more complex offerings. For instance, Sophia Amoruso started selling vintage clothes on eBay as a student and eventually launched her own digital fashion empire, Nasty Gal. 5. Affiliate Marketing Mastery. Monetize your influence. Promote products or services and earn commissions through affiliate links. Build a following through blogging, social media, or YouTube to maximize your reach. Pat Flynn, who started his affiliate marketing journey as a student, now earns over $100,000 per month through his smart passive income brand. 6. App Development Revolution. Code your way to success. Create and market mobile apps focusing on enterprise solutions or niche markets. Consider developing custom apps for businesses or selling through third-party marketplaces. Nick D'Aloisio, who created the Sumly app while still in high school, sold it to Yahoo for $30 million at age 17. 7. Google Ads. Wizard, master the art of digital advertising. Specialize in running Google Ads campaigns for businesses, charging a commission on ad spend. Stay updated on platform changes and use AI tools to automate reporting. Neil Patel, who started his digital marketing career in college, now runs a multi-million-dollar agency specializing in Google Ads and SEO. 8. Career Coaching Catalyst. Guide others to success. Leverage your unique perspective as a student to offer career coaching services. Help clients with resumes, LinkedIn profiles, and job search strategies. Alexa Shuin started her career coaching business while studying abroad and now runs the successful entry-level boss platform. 9. Data Science Dynamo. Crunch numbers for profit. Combine your data science skills with effective marketing to attract high-paying clients. Build a portfolio through online courses and offer discounted services initially. Kirill Eremenko started teaching data science online while studying and now runs the successful Super Data Science platform. 10. YouTube Niche Domination. Vlog your way to wealth. create a YouTube channel focusing on a unique, underserved niche. Consistency is key to growing your audience and reaching monetization thresholds. Graham Stephan started his real estate and finance YouTube channel while working as a realtor and now earns over $100,000 per month from his content. 11. Virtual Event Planning Virtuoso. Orchestrate online experiences. Capitalize on the growing demand for virtual events by offering planning and execution services. Handle everything from concept to follow-up for online conferences, webinars, and networking events. Lauren Caselli, who started her event planning business in college, successfully pivoted to virtual events during the pandemic. 12. Subscription box sensation. Curate delightful deliveries. Launch a subscription box service tailored to a specific niche or interest. Focus on product curation, packaging, and building a loyal customer base. Katia Beauchamp and Haley Barner started Birchbox as students at Harvard Business School, revolutionizing the beauty sample industry. 13. Social media management. Maestro. Navigate the digital landscape. Offer comprehensive social media management services to businesses and startups. Stay on top of platform trends and deliver engaging content strategies. Beike Alexander founded her social media agency, Socialite, while still in college and now works with major brands and influencers. 14. Blogging. Bonanza. Write your way to wealth. Start a blog to build an audience and monetize through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products. Focus on consistent, high-quality content in your chosen niche. Michelle Schroeder-Gardner began her personal finance blog, Making Sense of Sense, while paying off student loans and now earns over $100,000 per month. 15. Video editing. Virtuoso. Cut your way to success. Offer specialized video editing services to content creators, businesses, and marketing agencies. Develop a strong portfolio and market your unique skills. Thomas Frank started editing videos for his YouTube channel while in college and now runs a successful media company. If you're intrigued by these innovative ways to earn $10,000 a month as a student, you're just scratching the surface of financial freedom. Keep watching our previous videos to uncover even more strategies for building wealth and discover the surprising twists and turns that await you on your journey to financial success. Remember, the path to riches starts with a single step. Which one will you take today?